How are you? Good, good. Hi.
Two felony charges apply. Uttering a forged instrument under Florida Statute Section 831.02 and identity fraud under Section 817.568, each carrying up to 5 years.
Oh, hi.
How are you?
Good.
So these are the check, and then this is the ID, and she's here sitting in front of us.
Okay. Hey man, can you stand up real quick for me? Put your hands behind your back real quick.
For what?
Just gonna be detained right now for the long game, alright? Not too tight?
No.
Okay. One second, let me just, I don't wanna get tight, give me a second. I'm just gonna move this so it doesn't bother you, alright?
Okay.
You didn't call it out yet, right?
No, not yet. Alright, I'm gonna put you in the back of my car and then I'll talk to you inside, alright?
Okay.
Do you have anything on sharp or anything like that right now?
No, I'm wearing a dress.
I know, I just gotta.
My bad.
No, you're.
No, I know,
Let's
you're
have a
just
seat.
doing your job.
And then,
Wait, I've never been behind a cop car, so like, how do I...
Just sit down and then we'll buckle you up there, alright? I'm gonna turn on the AC so it doesn't get hot back there, alright? Give me a second.
Where's your car?
Do you have a car?
No.
No car? How'd you get here?
Got dropped off.
You got dropped off? Okay.
Where is he?
I honestly don't know where he is.
Well, he was coming back to pick you up, so where is he?
Right, I don't know where he is. He's supposed to be coming back.
Who is it? What's his name?
I know him as Fredo.
You know Miss Fredo? Where's he from? Miami. What kind of cars does he drive?
Right now he's in a Genesis, a white Genesis.
A white Genesis? Okay. Is there anything in the bag that you shouldn't have? Drugs, guns, weapons, anything? No? 20? Just a vape? Okay.
I'm sorry. I know I probably can't, but can I call my mom?
You can't call anybody right now.
Okay. Sir, that's for you.
Okay. Now I just need somebody to fill out this one statement.
Yes, I will do.
And can you have your ID as well, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
I'll be right back.
I'm just going to read you your rights real quick before I try to talk to you. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to the presence of an attorney before and during answering any questions. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you through the court. Do you understand those rights? Okay. Do you wish to talk to me?
I've never been. I don't know what I'm supposed to do in this situation.
Okay. Well.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Well, I mean, as of right now, that's a fake check.
Okay.
All right.
I'm sorry. Do you think you could just like pull my hair behind my ear? I don't mean to like. Yeah, it's like annoying me. I'm sorry. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, do you? So it's a fake check. Obviously, you were brought here, I guess, to cash the check, but the check's made out to your name. Who was the guy that you know again that dropped you off?
I don't know like his name, but I know him as Fredo.
Fredo.
Yeah.
Okay. And how many other places have you gone today?
I just went to one, and then initially I didn't want to keep going because I was afraid of this, but whatever, he told me I was gonna get left stranded. So.
Does he have anyone else working for him today?
Not going into banks, but there's like another person driving.
So there's 2 drivers?
No, so he's also walking into banks. He has a driver, and then they're just.
He's also walking into banks as well? And you don't know his name, just as Fredo?
No, I saw one of the checks. I think it's like Julian or Juan. It's with a J. I just can't. I
Julian, you said?
I believe it's Julian.
Okay. And last name?
You got me there.
Got you.
So,
Okay.
I don't know like when they're gonna do that though.
Okay. All right. We will we'll figure this out. All right. He's going to talk to you in a few minutes, okay? You have anything else you want to tell me? You from Hialeah? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Give me a few minutes.
Am I gonna like go to jail?
You're getting arrested today, yeah. There's no way out of that one.
Asking anything in the bag you shouldn't have is a consent-based inquiry under Schneckloth versus Bustamante. 1973. Without advising the subject that consent is voluntary, this creates a viable basis for a motion to suppress. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, requires 4 advisements before custodial interrogation.
Does he have anyone else
Right
working
to
for him today?
silence, self-incrimination warning, right to counsel, and right to appointed counsel.
So there's
All
2
4
drivers?
delivered correct
No, so
and
he's
complete.
also-
The subject continued answering questions without invoking silence or requesting an attorney. Under Bergwis v. Tompkins, 2010, that voluntary cooperation constitutes an implied waiver. All statements are admissible. To stop questioning, she needed one unambiguous statement. I want an attorney before answering any questions. Anything less is legally insufficient under Davis v. United States. 1994. The organizer faces prosecution under Florida Statute Section 777.011, principal in the first degree, without ever entering a bank. The subject's duress claim fails. Florida requires an immediate physical threat, not a threat of abandonment.
Okay.
I've never been arrested before.
I understand.
I'm sorry. I'm just like.
It's fine.
I don't really know how to show emotion and stuff. I'm just kind of trying to process everything together.
No. Okay. It's fine. I'll be right back.
Let's go with that. Oh, that's the one from earlier. Okay. So this is from the earlier, different clients, different, the same.
Okay. Well,
Yes.
okay, yeah.
That's from earlier today.
This is from the other. This is from the other.
Location.
Okay.
Carolyn.
So put. You said airport, right?
Airport and Pine Ridge. The banking center name is Carolyn.
Okay. Just so I know.
And this is from here.
And then this one's here. So how'd you guys realize it was just anything distinctive?
So this is the one that alert us, of course. And then I quickly remember the ID, the face. Once you walk in, I realized it.
So they sent you. They sent
This
you.
is, yes.
This is what the manager from
From
airport
there,
sent
yes.
you.
Correct.
Okay, and then once you saw her come in here, you recognized
Correct.
the name and
I
the face from
recognize
the.
the face, actually, not the name. This face, I recognize it.
You remember the face from the
Yes.
the email, and then obviously once you got the ID, you kind of were like, oh, this is the same person.
Correct. And
And
then I
then-
will review the account,
Uh-huh.
and this check number is already being used. And then this check feel like no, it's weird. Plus, customer don't use this check type.
So William, check number's been used.
Correct. Handwritings are different than his normal writing.
Handwriting different, and you said the material doesn't feel like.
Yeah, the material feel weird for the check, normal check.
Okay.
And then this account owner always put the note here if he pays someone with a check, he always have a memo line fill up, like what did he pay for. But this one has nothing.
Memo line filled out usually with for whatever.
Correct.
Okay.
That's it.
And that's pretty much it. So
Yes.
this is the email you received. This is the attachment.
Yes. You want me to take it together for you?
No, I
You
got
good?
it. Yeah. Because it's only these two, and then obviously the check.
Yes.
I have her ID. Do you need a photocopy of this
I
or
do.
anything? You copied it?
Yes.
Okay. And we have this. He has your information. You gave him his ID. I think that's everything.
Yes. The only thing I don't have. Oh no, that's good. We good. We good.
All right. Thank you guys. I'll call you
Thank
guys
you,
if I need any more
officer.
information.
Sure.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Central Bravo 13, Nancy Romeo.
I got everything now.
Okay. Anything else for me?
No, I think I got everything. Just for you can throw that in the wallet if you could reach. Melanie, what is this? Delta 9 or Delta 8, you said? So it's not gonna pop for anything if it gets tested or anything like that? Okay.
Delta 8, so
Yeah.
that's
I'll test
THC
it.
in it.
I'll test it at the station. Alright, well, like the officer said, pretty much you're gonna be arrested right now just because of the check. It's been used, it's fraudulent. So I'll be taking you down to the jail. From there you could contact whatever. But pretty much that's pretty much how the day's gonna go now. Alright? You'll be going with your belongings, so you don't have to worry. They'll receive your phone and wallet and your bag and all that. Pretty much good.
Yep.
I'll head to the station right after. Now, if you're gonna be there, I'll meet up with you.
Yeah, I'll swing down there.
Alright.
Let me know if you need anything else.
No, I think that should be everything.
Alright.
Alright, thanks, man.
Sounds good.
4 independent forgery indicators
So they
converge.
sent you. They
Duplicate
sent you-
check
this is
number,
what,
inconsistent
manager from
handwriting,
Airport sent you.
abnormal check material,
Okay, and then
and a blank memo
once you
line.
saw her come in
Under
here, you
Illinois v.
recognized
Gates,
the name and
1983, this totality establishes probable cause.
email.
The 2 charges survive double jeopardy analysis
Alright, well,
under Blockberger
like the
versus
officer
United
said, pretty much
States.
you're gonna be
1,932. Each requires a distinct element,
So
the
I'll be
other
taking
does
you down
not.
to the jail.
The prior transaction that same day
there you
eliminates
could
any
contact
innocent
whatever.
mistake argument. The officer receives
No, I
an
think I
A-.
got everything.
Miranda was complete and sequenced correctly. Deductions.
You could reach.
No explicit voluntary consent advisement during the bag query, and no audible response to the subject's request to contact family. The subject receives a C+, cooperative and informative about the organizer. However, she waived Miranda rights through continued voluntary statements, and her duress defense does not meet Florida's legal standard. The bank employee receives an A. 4 independently verified forgery indicators, proper interbranch alerts, and structured evidence cooperation form the backbone of this prosecution.
This
3
is what,
takeaways.
the manager from the
1.
airport sent you.
Miranda compliance
Okay, and
is
then
absolute.
once you
Any
saw her
missing
come in
component
here, you
risks
recognized
suppression
the
of
name
all
and-
subsequent
Okay,
statements. 2. Silence is the strongest right in
Remember the face
custody.
and the
Every
email,
word
and then
spoken
obviously
before
once you got the
counsel
ID,
arrives
kinda
can be
like, oh,
used
this
at
is the same
trial.
person.
3.
And then I will review that
Participation in
account.
fraud
This check
carries
number
full
is already
felony
used.
exposure,
And then this check
unless an
feels like
immediate
it's not
physical threat can be
serious.
proven in court.
Glad.
Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.